Again, I thought I'd just talk about this euro pound chart that I didn't trade this morning. If I'd seen it, I think I would have traded it because it is a pair that I do like to trade. It's quite volatile at the moment. It never used to be, and volatility is what you want. You want movement in order to get the gaps and the trends. So don't want something that's just a dead in the water chart, like UJ is actually this morning. Pretty rubbish. Um, but anyway, I digress. Um, now, we had the alert half an hour before my alarm call at 6 a.m. and so I would have, had I opened this chart, been looking at the chart at about this point here. We've got a nice up move in place. We've broken this downtrend, this small downtrend here. So we're sort of, you can actually, I didn't do this when I was just looking at the chart, but you can see the trend here as well. Low, high, higher, low, higher, high. We've broken a resistance level here. All these four 30-minute candles there acted as resistance here and held, or acted as support rather. Their resistance acting as support, and you got the yesterday's high as a decent potential testing area, which you can see it's done exactly. I know it's hindsight, but regardless. So after the alert, we want some sort of reversal. So we put the level on there, new candle, and then just wait for a reversal on the 5-minute chart. So that's where we were. The yellow green line is hiding behind that white one. So we had a reversal, and then we had a reversal to the long side, and this is worth bringing to your attention because what's happened here is you should use the 1-minute chart because we know we expect a reversal as a result of a break of some sort of support and resistance. Just refresh that chart because those arrows were all over the place. And what we will see is it has reversed on the 1 minute. So categorically you wouldn't have got into that trade and got taken the wrong way because you have to wait for all the lower time frames to match up to the higher. Now I haven't looked at this, but the 5-minute will probably be, yeah, because it's more than 5 1-minute candles here, it's actually moved into the 5-minute reversal to the downside against you. In other words, I'm looking for the long, obviously. So on the next alert, we can clearly see the price has gone and done what we'd hoped it would do. So in fact it moved about 40 pips by the look of it, or not quite that many, 35. So a good example of a potential setup there, and that would have been better for me actually, because it would have meant I hadn't had to sit around watching the charts till roughly 1 o'clock before I got an entry. But so that's it. That's just lesson there really. I ought to start looking at more charts than just the pound yen and the pound US dollar again. You know, I moved away from looking at 6 or 7 different charts, and ought to move back to it, I suppose. Anyway, such is life. Just another setup I thought I'd show you. Thanks for watching.